Man, the fuck is going on with these airplanes, man? Stay out the sky. If your ass ain't gotta be in the sky, stay out of it, okay? Passenger, pilot, Westchester. They died, man. That shit is crazy. The plane crashed. Like, what the fuck? How? Like, niggas was making phone calls to their family, knowing they was about to die. That shit crazy. It's coming to the point where niggas need to stay out the sky. Stay out the sky, please. These airplanes is fucked up. The weather fucked up. The world is fucked up. Hey, like, comment, holla.